He's laying there. I think he's dead. Is he dead? Is he dead? Alright, it's Wednesday right now, Wisconsin rifle season. We got a lot of snow last night. But right now we got, we got two does out here. So we just started walking. We're gotta go check my camera, but we're gonna do a little stalking through the fresh snow here. Maybe we'll come up on a buck. Tracks here this morning already, but you can tell they're doe tracks. So when you're tracking deer, you want to look at how far they're spaced apart and how far from the outside of one track is to the other. If they're close like this, means it's not a very big deer, which obviously tells from there's two small does over there. So that's why you want to watch out how wide they are and how far they're spread apart.
A few moments later.
The deer are out. They're holding tight.
So right now, Caleb's just removing our SD card from the camera so we can see what photos we got on there to see what deer we got down there. So what we're doing right now is
I'm gonna make a loop. Caleb's gonna sit back there, and hopefully I can push one up to him. Let's get it done. Well, after we just checked the camera, we only had a few bucks, but we had a bunch of does and fawns at the water and a fisher all the time. But we were coming up the track. I told Andy to stay on. There was another deer about 100 yards in front of us feeding out on the dike to a pond, and we ended up kicking about 4 or 5 of them out into the neighbor's field.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
But none had horns that I could tell. We're gonna keep working back way up towards the vehicle. Hopefully we can find a buck. All right, so we're gonna split up again. Caleb heading out. He's gonna hit that side of the property, and I'm gonna follow this middle line. So hopefully he can see a deer, push up a deer, something. Because we already walked this whole area. Now he's gonna walk that side, and I'm gonna hold the middle ground. I don't know. I thought it was a good plan. He seemed confused. When isn't he?
12 seconds later.
Guys, I don't know if this deer's dead? He's not. He's still alive here. But hit him back, I think. Caleb saw this deer. He pulled up. And we gotta get another shot on this buck, maybe. But he wanted to do that. I think he might be down. At least he's bedded down good. He only ran 100 yards. And he lay down. Caleb saw this deer eating. And he pulled up. And I was like, oh, that's just a doe he didn't shoot. I walked forward 20 yards. I look, I'm like, there's a rack, there's a rack, there's a rack. And then I'm like, do I film this? Is he gonna shoot? Caleb starts walking right at me. I'm like, Caleb, there's a buck, there's a buck, there's a buck. I pull up. There's this much of a window. The shockwave blew the snow off the tree on me. We gotta shoot him. But I think we gotta shoot him again. Can you see him? Yeah, I can see him. Good shot? Yeah, right through that opening right there. You see it? Yep.
Right now, I'm repositioning myself to get a better view on the buck, so I can get a good shot on a clean one.
He's trying to get up. He's dead. We got a fawn right here looking at us. He's down. Here. Just watch him. Okay. I think he's dead. Okay. Give him a minute to cool off. I'm gonna cut it. Okay, you can cut it. What? I don't. He's laying there. I think he's dead. Is he dead? Is he dead? I think he's dead. Guys, I don't know how big this buck is. All I seen was 4 points right here. 4 points like this. Because he was like this. And Caleb pulls up on the doe like this. Okay. We'll let him lay here for a little bit. We'll catch you back up when we're open high up. Let's go. Let's go. Grandma?
Yeah?
He's down. He's down.
You're the person.
The buck. I think I hit him good, I think. He's down.
Where did you shoot him?
Right down by it. Right down where the first 4-wheeler trail is.
Oh, okay.
It's a nice one, I think.
Are you guys just waiting to make sure he's dead?
Well, I shot him 3 times. He's down. He's hurt.
We're gonna go pull him. We're gonna pull him up here.
I didn't hear him go off 3 times, but I heard him go off twice.
Yeah. You want to get dressed and come out here?
What?
We can drag him.
You want to get dressed and come out here for a video?
Oh,
You were in last year's video. Why not this year's? Come on, Grandma.
okay.
All right, Grams.
Well, which way am I coming down then?
Just come down by your wood pile down that way.
Down by the wood pile. We'll have the deer up there probably.
Okay, should I bring the 4-wheeler?
Yeah.
Yeah, my truck might be in the way.
Or just bring
Or
Caleb's
you can
truck.
just drive my truck down.
Drive the truck down.
I don't know if I can drive your truck. I'll see. Okay,
All right, bye, Grandma. Love you.
bye.
Guys, 2 years in a row, at Grandma's. This is insane. I think he's ready for us to come up. I don't want to go too soon. I don't want him thrashing at us, but I kind of want to. Do you want to walk down the blood trail just to see?
No, we can up there.
Okay, come. Let's get there. Let's go. Dunn Creek Outdoors. We are here. We got a nice look.
Oh yeah, he's a stud. Oh yeah. Look at that deer, Andy.
Let's go.
Good job.
Thank you, Lord. Guys,
saw the grace of God right here. Me and Caleb just walking through Grandma's woods.
It might have been the deer I seen the other night too, and I didn't shoot him.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a nice tag.
Biggest buck you ever killed, bro.
Let's go.
Aren't you glad I told you to get up and not quit sleeping?
Yeah.
Alrighty. Well,
I broke his spine.
look where you shot him.
Well, no.
Your first shot was.
That was my first shot.
One shot was right here.
And then he was
through the
laying
boiler
here.
room. The next shot. I mean,
This was when he was laying. I'm like,
we're gonna have to
wait,
blur
no,
this
no, no,
here.
no. No. That was the first shot.
I don't know, man.
No, seriously, I think. Because he was bent like this.
Yeah, we're gonna get him drug out here, get out to the four-wheeler trail for Grandma.
I'll take one.
Your gun empty?
Alright, break time.
Give bro the camera. I'm gonna go grab my gun quick.
Ooh.
Ah, that's fine. It'll wash out.
good
Take
stuff,
your
man.
time.
Folks, what a hunt.
Have a little moment.
I didn't even... I drove home from college late last night. I had a couple assignments due. It was Thanksgiving break assignments. They're tough. And I wake up this morning, Caleb slaps me on the face like, wake up, it's snowing. I'm like, brother, no. And I didn't wake up, I went back to bed. Well, it's 10 o'clock, and Caleb looks at me, he's like, we're gonna go on a 2-man deer drive. I'm like, what? It's snowing, it's windy. He looks at me, he's like, you're going. So I get my stuff, I get ready. We're walking out here. This was the last push, literally the last push of the day. Caleb doesn't see this buck, I see him, boom! I smoke him. And guys, you can get some good footage of it up here soon in the open. Let's go. Lord, thank you for this moment. Thank you for all those memories that I made. And thank you for this deer that is going to be able to feed our family. Amen. Let's go, guys. All right. Let's get up there so Grandma can see, Caleb can see, everyone can see. 'Cause that's not a small buck. Yes! There's Grandma, guys. Up the hill we go. Guys, I did legs yesterday. This hurts.
Seen the other video I got. I didn't get no footage of him, but I talked about him.
Yeah, I shot through this oak tree.
Yeah, I thought you were. I didn't actually see the buck. I saw a big body. Okay.
I don't know if you're still rolling, man. But what a hunt. Shut her down. We're gonna gut her and get her done.
And your mom, last time I talked to her, said you were laying on the couch.
Here.
You didn't know when she should wake you up. And aren't you glad she woke you up?
Oh yeah.
Wow, we're at Grandma's, another big buck.
Grandma's got the bucks, guys. What can I say?
Yeah.
This was on the opposite side of last year, and we're all here. The same people, same type of deer. We got it done. What do you think, Caleb?
Nice buck.
It's a nice buck, and you were just walking down the trail.
Biggest buck you've ever
Yeah.
got so far.
Literally, where this buck is sitting right now is where I shot. That's how small a circle this guy ran. Pretty cool. But I mean, hey, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. And Hashtag God.